Hey guys, I'm going to teach you guys here today how to win at the game Wordle. So stick around and watch the video and listen, and I'm going to show you how to win the game. Here's a game I just played on this site called HelloWordle.net. It's a spin-off of Wordle because I've already played today's Wordle game, so I've been playing a little bit on here on Hello Wordle. You can play as many games as you want. They have a today's game, and then you can also just randomize and pick new words as much as you want. So there's a few key tricks of winning at Wordle. I'm going to go through them for you here. The first one is start with the word that has a lot of common letters, preferably one with E and A in it as well. Think of RSTLNE, like in Wheel of Fortune. So let me go ahead and just start a new game here. I'm just going to rate the same letter as same word as last time I used, stare. Alright, so I already got one letter. That's a great start. If you're not familiar with how the game works, you have 6 guesses to guess a 5-letter word. Any 5-letter word that's a real word. I don't think they use proper nouns. And if you get a yellow letter like I got here and some gray letters, a yellow letter says the letter is right, just in the wrong place. So you've got to find out where else the letter goes. If the letters are grayed out, that means that those letters cannot be used anymore, or you can use them. I would highly advise against it. That's one of the key ways to win, is never use those letters again. Even if you can't think of a word that doesn't have those letters, just go through every letter until you can come up with something that doesn't involve those. And if you get a green, make sure every single following word after it has that letter in its place. And if you get a yellow, always try to figure out where it goes next. It's really important to eliminate letters. It's almost impossible to lose if you use as many letters as you can every word. So try not to double up unless you think you know the word, like 2 E's or 2 O's or whatnot. And all right, let's try another one here. So let's put the R somewhere else. We'll just put it at the beginning. R-O-U-N-D. We'll go with round. Wow! Oh my gosh, guys! I seriously promised that I did not know the word, but that's how easy it is. From just using random letters that aren't involved, just think of where else you can put these, like common places. R, very at the beginning or the end of the word is very common for R. I just went with the beginning just because it was just easy for me to do it while I'm on camera. Let me go through the rest of the tips here. So yeah, you want every word as a possible winning scenario. When thinking of words, remember letters that go together. For instance, ED at the end of a word, CK at the end of a word. At the beginning, think of double letters like ST, FR, SW, WH. A lot of times you get stumped, especially like, I think I had one word, avant, that I could not get. Sometimes there's not a word you can think of. Even when you go through all one by one, when you're down to your last few words, it's okay, but you'll almost always win if you follow these steps. Exactly. If you can't think of a word, just start putting letters that go together, and then kind of sound different words out with the letters you have remaining. A lot of times, it's right under your nose and you can't think of it. So even PH, phase, or something. Just think of different letters that normally don't sound go together in regular words. Like stare and round. Just think of different letters that could possibly go together. You almost never. I think I've had one word that had an X in it. It's not very common. Z, you could save that for the end too. But yeah, you can win almost any world game with these few tips. I'll do one more here. Let's see if I'll do one more. All right. We'll just start with let's start with stare again. I've been doing good with stare, so let's go with stare. Look at that. We already got the beginning and the end. So let's go with smoke. Smoke for word 2. All right. That's okay. We've eliminated some letters. How about SH. I don't think I want to use SH. We'll delete one. SW. Swipe. All right, so we pretty much got this. SPI. I'm not too with words. Spine. Here we go. Boom. All right. So see how we did that? It's just so easy when you use all the common letters first, and then really after the first word, I don't worry too much about picking the most common letters. I just try to eliminate all the letters that I can. I try to use relatively common ones like M. That's a common one. Get rid of your vowels if you can, because there's only 5 of those, so it makes it easier to guess when you start knocking out your vowels. But I mean, you can't really guess the S and E without a vowel, so that really doesn't matter. Just a couple tips to help you guys with Wordle. It's become a very popular game, and I'm sure some of you guys can use some tips, because not Wordle, it can be hard for some people, but it's a very fun game. I love that you can share the results. You can click this button here, just like in the other Wordle. It'll copy it to your clipboard, and then it'll paste it in if you've seen your friends post it on social media, it'll post like a link to play it. The same words, so you can even challenge it that way with your friends to play the same one as you did. And you can basically, it'll post these colors as little squares and show you like your progress of how you won that word without revealing the word. Anyways, it was nice to show you guys this step here on how to win Wordle. Thought I'd share it with you guys. I was going to keep it to myself, but it's just a game. So you guys enjoy. Alrighty, have a wonderful day. I'm going to close this out. And hope you guys, if you liked it, subscribe. I should have said at the beginning, but I make random videos, so if you like random stuff coming up now and then in your feed from someone that's not really monetized or does this just for fun, go right ahead, like it, subscribe, all that good stuff. You guys have a good one. See you later.